Hey there, grammar heroes. Do your sentences sound confusing? Are you mixing up past, present, and future? Don't worry, in this video, we'll unlock the power of tenses and show you how they shape every sentence you say or write. Tenses are not boring, they are the magic glue that holds your thoughts together. So let's make English easier and more fun right now. Tenses are very important in English. They help us know when something happens. Without tenses, our sentences can sound confusing or wrong. There are three main tenses in English: past, present, and future. Number one, present tense. We use present tense to talk about things that are happening now. For example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. She plays the piano. This tense helps us share what we do every day or regularly. Number two, past tense. We use past tense to talk about things that already happened. For example, I watched a movie yesterday. They went to school last week. Using past tense helps others understand when the action happened in the past. Number three, future tense. We use future tense to talk about things that will happen later. For example, I will go to the park tomorrow. She will study tonight. This tense helps us talk about plans or promises. Tenses also help us stay clear in speaking and writing. For example, if you say, I ate dinner yesterday, it sounds strange. But if you say, I ate dinner yesterday, it sounds correct. Even a small mistake in tense can change the meaning. Let's compare. He works hard. Present means he works now. He worked hard. Past means he worked before. He will work hard. It is future. It means he will work later. Tenses are also used in stories, messages, and conversations. They show the timeline of events. When we use the right tense, people can understand us better. If you are learning English, start by using simple tenses first. Practice them daily in your speaking and writing. Soon your English will improve and your sentences will become more powerful and clear. Great job, grammar champions. Now you know how tenses help make strong, clear sentences. Remember, past, present, and future tenses are your best friends in English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and soon English will feel easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. See you in the next video.